Hey my peeps, let's make some little Debbie tree cakes, Christmas tree cakes with Dollar Tree supplies. So these wood trees come in a pack of like 8, and I'm just going to take a scissor to cut off the star, which you can cut off pretty easily with a scissor. And then I'm taking a nail file and just filing down the edges, so it won't be like have any splinters or anything on it. And then I took it and I painted it white with just regular acrylic paint. I painted it white. You can make as many as you want. I mean, you get 8 in a pack, so you can make a bunch of these, and you can actually give them away as gifts. They make cute little Christmas gifts for, so you can give as ornaments for people to put on their trees. If you don't, it's a low budget gift, but it's so cute. I think people will love it, and the kids can make it and give them as gifts. So it's a cute, easy, quick craft idea from the Dollar Tree. So I got this red puffy paint from Dollar Tree as well. Everything is from Dollar Tree. Well, most of everything is from Dollar Tree. You'll see at the when I get towards the end. Now you don't have to use puffy paint. You can use regular paint to draw those lines. You could get red paint and draw those lines with a brush. You don't have to use puffy paint, but I'm using puffy paint just to give that illusion of when you have a tree cake, you know how it has the icing lines on it. So that's why I'm using that. So then I got some green sand from Dollar Tree. This is why I put the Mod Podge on first, so that the bottom, the white part, will be sticky, so that when I put the green sand on there to simulate the green sprinkles that are on your tree cake, they'll stick, okay? And I probably was wondering why I put the Mod Podge on first. It's because once I put that red icing, I didn't want to sprinkle the green on it and it'll get onto the red parts, okay? Now again, you can draw those red lines on with the paint, and you could also put the sprinkles on with paint. Just put like little dots or dashes or whatever. It doesn't have to be puffy paint and sprinkles, okay? So like this little backing I got from Temu, and it's just like a craft hanger that you can stick on your crafts so that they hang. So I got those little ornament hooks from Dollar Tree, and you see it's a little clear backing that I got from Temu. I could post a link to it, or like the name of it, if you want to search for it on Temu. So then I took like a little red bow that I had, that I also got from Temu, and I just put it on the top just to make it look a little, a little more cute, or give it some razzle dazzle, like I didn't put Mod Podge on after I put the sprinkles on, but you can, so that the sprinkles won't fall off, or you can even spray it with clear acrylic. And look how easy and cute those are. And like I said, you can make a bunch, give them out as gifts. Hey, let the kids help you make them. Hope you make some. Talk to you soon.